Well, we wanted to give you an opportunity to hear from one of our students today. And so I have the honor of introducing Brittney Corniel. She is a BSN degree graduate from our School of Nursing, and she's now working towards her doctorate in nursing practice. Her experience in the simulation lab has come full circle. She's someone who was able to learn there as an undergraduate student and is now helping to educate students in her role as a teaching assistant under Dr. Karen Turner. So, Brittney.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm so excited and just grateful to be here today. First and foremost, as an alumni of the School of Nursing, because I personally benefited so much from all the experiences that I had in the simulation lab. This is the place where I was able to hone in on all of those fundamental nursing skills like prioritization, time management, communication, and teamwork. This is also the place where I first learned how to take care of my patients. There's one simulation experience in particular that I believe had the most profound influence on my nursing career today. In our maternal newborn nursing course, we have a postpartum simulation where we actually simulate a postpartum mother dealing with the loss of her infant after delivery. Anyone that has gone through U of L's nursing program can attest to how powerful this simulation experience is. It felt so real to all of us that after the day, my classmates and I were looking at each other with tears in our eyes as we were beginning to realize the level of empathy that would be required to take care of our patients. So when I actually started working on a labor and delivery unit and I had my first patient that had a loss of her infant, I was standing there trying to think of all the right things to say because I had never gone through this experience myself. I never had a family member that went through this experience, but I was able to look back on my simulation experience here at U of L and remember all of those things that my instructor told me I could say to offer encouragement to mothers in a time of grief. And I was able to see how a dark and sad day could be turned a little bit brighter by offering those words of encouragement that I learned here. So now, being on the other side of things as a teaching assistant, I get the joy of instilling all of that great knowledge and wisdom into the students, just how it was poured into me as an undergraduate student. As everyone has said today, Simulation Lab is such a safe place for students to learn in order to make safe choices as a nurse when they graduate. So my heart today is just full of anticipation for all the great nursing students who will be trained in the lab that we're celebrating today and all the lives that they'll be able to touch because of the education that they got here. Thank you.